Hi everyone, today we have the software called Shiftbase and this is the best employee scheduling and time registration software. Now, before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Jumping straight onto the platform, so you can see currently employee scheduling is something a really hassle if you are doing that manually, but this platform is going to be providing you this timeline based system which is going to be making it really quick and easy to schedule. You can simply make the scheduling on different time slots, different time frames, and eventually different type of sections. You can also track your time with the punch clock or app, so it also offers this application integration, so you can also utilize your management onto yours or scheduling onto your cell phone device, so that is really amazing as well. You can do that on the go and wherever you would like to feel it convenient and stuff like that. So if you want to simply make your payouts, even the salary system is a great feature of the software as well, since it also offers you analysis and different type of money systems. It is going to be making it much easier to pay your clients or your employees. And you can see you can also connect different type of integrations to it, so you have different type of tools. If you click on integrations, you will be able to get to know about that as well. You have your employee system, your planner. You can simply optimize your workflows basically, or workforces placement with precision and real-time insights. You have your manager, that is going to be a separate system for your managerial activities, and then executive for different type of activities for this level. So yeah, if you are still unsure about the platform or Shiftbase, let me show you about its reviews. So Shiftbase have a really nice reputation on various different platforms. So here, as you can see, people are really loving it. Absolutely best software for the Netherlands. You can see another person is saying Shiftbase is customizable and flexible but easy to use. So yeah, make sure to give it a try to Shiftbase using the link in the description that can give you access to extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.